Welcome to another video lecture series on circuit analysis. I'm Dr. Vinod. So the first question is is based on the mutual inductance, right? The switch is closed at t is equal to 0. Before that, there is no current was flowing. For t is greater than 0, the current I1 on ft and I2 of t can be expressed as like this is equation. So here for this equation, I need to find the values of A1, A2, B1, B2 and tau. Okay, so here the tau value is L by R, right? So based on this question, first let me assume that the switch is closed. So applying the mesh analysis, so 18 volt is equal to 16 into I1 of t. Okay. Plus since it is an inductance L di by dt, so 4.9 into d I1 of t divided by dt plus the mutual inductance, that value is 4.2. So here for the dot it is opposite direction, so one current is entering, another current is leaving, so minus 4.2 into d I2 of t dt. So this is about the first equation. Okay, so next I need to apply for the second mesh loop. So since I have only the inductance and the resistance, so 5I2 of t plus this opposite direction, so minus 4.2 into d I2 I1 of t, right? Since it is in mutual inductance, right? I1 of t divided by dt plus the mutual inductance value, self inductance value into di2 of t divided by dt, and that value is nothing but 3.6 Henry. I haven't mentioned before, so here I am going to add, so that is equal to 0. Okay, so on solving these two equations, I can form the value of I1 and I2, right? So let me copy this both the equation, and I'm going to paste it in the next page. So I'm rearranging this equation by taking the Laplace transform. 18s that is equal to 16 I1 of s plus 4.9 into s I1 of s. If it is d means I'm taking Laplace transform, I get s minus 4.2 into s into I2 of s. So this is your first equation. For the second equation, 5I2 of s minus 4.2 into s into I1 of s plus 3.6 into s into I2 of s. So this is my second equation. Now I'm going to rearrange this equation as 18 by s is equal to 16 plus 4.9 s into I1 of s minus 4.2 into s into I2 of s. So 0, the second equation, I can write it as 4.2 s I1 of s plus 5 into 3.6 into s into I2 of s. Okay. So I need to take the, in order to cancel any one of this value, that right? So from the equation 2, I can rearrange the equation as 4.2s into I1 of s divided by 5.5 plus 3.6s. 3.6s is equal to I2 of s. So you substitute that equation in the first equation. Substitute the third equation in the first equation. So now you'll get 18 divided by s is equal to 16 plus 4.9s I1 of s minus 4.2s into, instead of I1 of s, I2 of s, I am going to substitute 4.2 s into I1 of s divided by 5.3 3.6 s. So once you rearrange this equation and solving, I will get 16 plus 4.9 s into 5 plus 3.6 s minus 4.2 s the whole square divide by 5.36 s that is into I1 of s is equal to 18 divided by s. So what is my I1 of s now? I1 of s is equal to 18 into 5 plus 3.6 s divide by s into, so 16 plus 9 is 80, so 90, 80 plus 24.5 s plus 16 into 3.6 s plus 4.9 into 3.6 s. S square minus 4.2 square s square. So now we can see this 18 plus 5 is 90 plus 64.8 s divided by s into 80 plus 82.5, 18.2.1 s, because this 4.2 the whole square into s square plus 4.9 into 3.6 into s square get cancelled out, and I will get this equation. So I am going to take the partial fraction, that is equal to a divided by s plus b divided by 80 plus 82.6, 82.1 s. So on solving, I will get I1 of t is equal to 18 divided by 16 minus 441 divided by 13.6 e power minus 80 divided by 82.1 t. Okay. So this is my value of A1, this is my value of P1, and this is my value of tau. So tau is the denominator, so it is 82.1 divided by 80. That is equal to 1.02625. Okay, so we know that 4.2 s I1 of s divided by 5 plus 3.6 s is equal to, so you substitute in this equation I1 of s here. So here the s and the s get cancelled out, and on solving I will get 4.2 into 64.8 into 1.38 plus s on taking the value of 6.48 outside. So and I'm taking the 3.6 outside. These two get cancelled out, right? So I will get 0.7 into 64.8 divide by 80 plus 82.1 s into 6. So that is nothing but your I2s value, that is equal to 75.6 divided by 80 plus 82.1 s. So now I can take the 82.1 common. So we'll get 75 point s divided by 82.1 divided by s plus 80 divided by 82.1. So that is taking the inverse Laplace transform, I will get I2 of t is equal to 75.6 divided by 82.1 is 0.92 into e power minus 80 divided by 82.1 t. into u of t. So here the a2 value is 0 and the b2 value is 0.92 and tau value is 82.1 divided by 80. That is similar to the previous equation of I1 of t, that is equal to 1.02625. Okay. So now let me go to the second question. So the question they have asked is switch is closed at t is equal to 0. Before that the capacitor was charged to Vc of 0, that is equal to 20 volt. For t greater than 0, find the value of I of t and Vc of t. And I of t value is given like this and Vc of t is given like this, and they are given modulus of k1 as less than of modulus of k2. So on applying the voltage KVL, I will get 18 is equal to 65 I t plus 5 into di1 of t I of t divided by dt plus Vc of t, right? So this Vc of t I can write it as 1 divided by c, that is 210 integral of I of t dt plus 20, because the initial charge it is charged to 20 volt, right? So on taking the Laplace transform, I will get so here 18 minus 20 is minus 2, right? So 65 I 0 is equal to 65 I1 I of s plus 5s I of I1 of s plus 210 by s into I1 I of s plus 2 divided by s. Okay. So minus 2 divided by s is equal to 65 plus 5 of s plus 210 of s into I of s. So this I can write it as I of s is equal to minus 2 divided by s into s divided by 65s plus 5s square plus 210. Okay. So here the s and the s get cancelled out, so you will get the value of 2. And here I can take the value of 5 outside, so I will get minus 2 divided by 5 is equal divided by 6 s square plus 65 by s by 5 plus 210 divided by 5, that is equal to minus 0.4 divided by s square plus 13s plus 42. That I can write it in the denominator as s plus 6 into s plus 7. So on taking partial fraction, I will get that is equal to a divided by s plus 1, s plus 6 plus b divided by s plus 7. So now I can write it as a into s plus 7 plus b into s plus 6 is equal to 0 minus 0.4. Substituting s is equal to minus 6, I will get a is equal to minus 0.4. And substituting s is equal to minus 7, minus b is equal to minus 0.4. So b is 0.4. So I'm going to substitute that equation in the above value as minus 0.4 for a and 0.4 for b. So I will get the equation like this. For that one, I'm going to take the inverse Laplace transform. So I will get minus 0.4 into e power minus 60. And the I of t is equal to minus 0.4 e power minus 60 plus 0.4 into e power minus 70. So now I can see this whole term is nothing but Vc of t. So what is Vc of s? 210 divided by s into I of s plus 20 divided by s. This is your Vc of s. So I can write the Vc of s is equal to 20 divided by s plus 210 divided by s into so instead of I of s, I'm going to substitute minus 0.4 divided by s plus 6 plus 0.4 divided by s plus 7. So now I'm going to solve this equation. 20 divided by s my plus minus 84 divided by s into s plus 6 plus 84 divided by s into s plus 7. So this I can write it as 1 divided by s plus s into s plus 6 is equal to a divided by s plus b divided by s plus 6. So a into s plus 6 plus b into s is equal to 1. So s is equal to 0. I will get a is equal to 1 by 6 and b is equal to minus 1 by 6. So I am substituting this value of a and b on this equation. So on taking the inverse Laplace transform, I will get so for 1 divided by s in into s plus 7 also I will get like this, right? So we get a is equal to 1 by 7 and b is equal to minus 1 by 7, right? So I'm going to substitute in the above equation, right? So 20 divided by s minus 84, I'm going to take it common. So 1 divided by 6s plus minus 1 divided by 6 into s plus 6 plus 84 into 1 by 7s minus 1 divided by 7 into s plus 7. So VC of s is equal to 20 divided by s minus 84 divided by 6s plus 84 divided by 6 into s plus 6 plus 84 divided by 7s minus 84 divided by 7 into s plus 7. So the 7 and 84 can cancel out to get the value of 12, and 84 divided by 6 will get answer as 14. Okay. So now I can write 20 minus 14 is 6 divided by s plus 14 divided by s plus 6 plus 12 divided by s minus 12 divided by s plus 7, right? So 6 plus 12 is 18. So 18 divided by s plus 14 divided by s plus 16. 6 minus 12 divided by s plus 5. So on taking the inverse Laplace transform, I'll get Vc of t is equal to 18 plus 14 into e power minus 60 plus minus 12 into e power minus 70 u of t. So this is my answer. So I hope this video is useful. Thank you very much.